Hello! To change lock screen wallpaper on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to you have to be on your lock screen and you have to press and hold the lock screen. Now you have to unlock your phone and now we have to customize. Right here we have the wallpaper button. You simply go in here and here we have a lot of different pictures as wallpapers to choose from. As you can see, some natural patterns, floral arrangement, a lot of different stuff. But if you want to set our picture, our local photo as a wallpaper, we have to go into this local photos. We have to allow the themes to access the videos and photos right here. And as you can see, we have our pictures. So right now I'm selecting one of the pictures and as you can see it's being applied right here, and just like this. That's basically how to set the lock screen wallpaper. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.